Some hospitals and clinics are adding new procedures to help reduce the risk of contracting or spreading COVID-19, the disease caused by this coronavirus.
St. David's Healthcare is now screening all patients and visitors for respiratory illness as they walk in. And as KXAN's Tahera Rahman reports, some medical workers in Hays County are under self-quarantine.
All of our hospitals have done multiple drills and tabletop exercises.
Staff at St. David's medical facilities have been preparing for a possible surge in coronavirus-related patients. It now includes patients who come into an emergency room or standalone emergency facility.
We'll be met by someone at the door who will screen that patient for respiratory illness. They'll ask a few simple questions like if you had a fever, cough, sore throat, or flu symptoms.
If you answer yes, you'll have to wear a surgical mask along with any visitors who are with you. And if you've traveled to what the CDC calls a level 3 country like China or northern Italy,
the patient will be expedited through another protocol to be assessed more quickly and placed in a special room that has negative air pressure.
While hospitals in the greater Austin area are mobilizing prevention plans, local health officials here in Hays County say there are no confirmed cases of COVID-19, but they are monitoring a few people who they say are self-quarantined. Hays County epidemiologist Eric Schneider says all are members of the Texas Infectious Disease Response Unit. They helped passengers of the Diamond Princess cruise ship in San Antonio. Schneider says all wore protective equipment and pose no risk to the community, but are being isolated just in case they show symptoms. Schneider and Mitchell stress these are all precautions.
As a preventative measure, it's nothing that should cause any panic.
Tahera Rahman, KXAN News.
Representatives with St. David say there isn't a timeline as to how long they plan to do these screenings. They say the changes aren't in response to an increase in cases, but rather in anticipation of that, especially with thousands of people set to come to the area for South by Southwest.